Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining the exact outcome you want, conversions, leads, or traffic, because every choice follows that objective. Once done, pick the platform that reaches your audience and set a realistic daily budget and bidding method. This controls delivery and cost. Make sure to install tracking pixels and link analytics now so you can measure performance from day one. These first steps reduce wasted spend and give you data to optimize. Act immediately so later steps use real signals. You now assemble the campaign with clear structure, one objective per campaign and separate ad groups by audience. Build multiple creatives, several headlines, short copy variations, images, and one video so you can A/B test and find winners. Once done, layer precise targeting. Combine lookalikes, custom lists, and interest clusters to balance reach and relevance. Make sure to set campaign budgets, ad schedules, and conversion windows. This detailed execution lets you gather comparative results. You launch conservatively and watch key metrics, CTR, CPC, CPA, and ROAS, so you see trends without overspending. Once you identify top performers, scale them gradually by 20 to 30% every 2 to 3 days to maintain stability. If ads underperform, pause them, then troubleshoot. Verify tracking fires, inspect audience overlap, adjust bid caps, and refresh creative to combat fatigue. Make sure to run short experiments with clear hypotheses so fixes are measured and you avoid repeating issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.